This is a Ambiano Cordless Vacuum Cleaner from Aldi. So it was $49.99 or something like that, £50 anyway. And I thought I would use it. They're getting really cheaper now. So let's just open it and see what is inside. Must be parts. Must be the long tube. Don't know what's that. This looks heavy, like the main bit. Let me just use both hands. So let me take it out. Okay. Now the box goes here. Looks like a turbo engine. Yeah, light, not very light, but not very heavy. So easy to handle, I suppose. This is the brochure, user manual. This is the main pipe. Okay, this is the other box. Let's see what is inside. Oh, a wall bracket. Wall bracket holder probably. This is the corner or curtain thingy. This is for fine cleaning. That's the charger. Let's see what is inside this. Oh, that's the head. I like that head. Very flexible. Oh, look at the hairs of it. Nice. Let's just put it together. Okay, this is, I suppose, goes into this probably. Is it? Oh no, probably this side. Yeah, this side. Oh no, this side doesn't go into this. This side goes, yeah. So you push it. I have to do it with the other hand. Okay, now this is the head. There is a plug here. It has to go to this plug. So they must click. I use the other hand to do this. Okay, nice clicks makes you sure that they are now connected. And let me check to see if they have a charge at the moment. Ooh, it's alive! It's alive! Okay, let's see if it cleans this Bija carpet, Persian carpet. Oh, nice and powerful it looks. And very flexible.
like, isn't it?
Very flexible also.
That's just what we need really. Yeah, I think the old ones are better. Yeah.
They're getting smaller and more
They are
flexible.
more flexible.
Let me go to the kitchen and show you in the kitchen. You can feel it is really powerful. Just a lot of, debris from the carpet. Oh, I'm really impressed by the power of it. It has such a good suction. Now the lady of the house trying. God, it has such a suction. This vacuum cleaner that I bought here, you can see it from Aldi. I bought it 2 nights ago and it was so good that immediately I went and bought another one. The price, I think it was $49.95 or something like that, almost £50. But it is really good. It looks also elegant when it's near the wall, or you can place it anywhere. It's just small and powerful. So I bought the second one. This is the empty box of the first one. This is the new one I bought. Let's just open and put it together again. As you can see here. And I will show you the end product. Darling, you have a nice pair.
Oh, I know. Thanks for the compliment.
Oh God, look at that. Let me touch them. Do they work?
Yeah, of course they work.
Press the buttons.
Yeah, clean them.
Press the buttons. Oh, both of them. The other one, I want to see how that one works. You don't need to. Oh, it shows the time it has. 55, 54. Oh my God. Until the next charge. I never saw that before. Nice pair. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Lovely.
Hang this up.
Just bear
Or
with me,
hang the
darling.
wire up.
Okay. Oh, there is screws for hanging the wire.
Yeah, and
You have to remember to remove
yeah,
that.
remember to remove them because he didn't.
Okay. No,
It was
you
Lee that found
you
them.
know how to do it. And my recommendation is that with Ambiano, anything from Ambiano, keep the box
Yeah,
for the
just in
warranty.
case.
If it breaks, you need to have that for the warranty. If you don't have it, they will not do any
Yeah,
responsibility.
the warranty is actually written on the box.
Yes.
So just remember, keep the box at least for a few months.
Or at least for a few years. Hopefully it will last for a few years.
Yeah.
But then you can replace it or
Yeah.
get a refund or repair or
Yeah, this
whatever.
is, yeah.
So,
Right.
what a nice pair. Lovely job.
Yeah.
Let's just tickle this one and tickle this one. Tickling both. Okay, the reason I got two was because this one is for downstairs and this is for upstairs. I don't want to just all the time walking up and down for this. When you need it, you have to have it right on the point. If you don't have it, that's just, it stays, you will not clean or wipe or, the vacuum. Just a little, crumbs or something you will see you carry. And just clean it immediately. Nice. And you can use it without a handle also, with this big one. So you can just attach one of those attachments and just use it as it is, as a small vacuum. Take it in the car even if you want. Probably you should get one for the car. They're strong enough for that.